Growing succulent bonsai trees. Which ones to choose? Succulent bonsai trees are easy to grow and care for, making them popular with beginners and experts alike. While they may look like hardwood trees, there are some aspects of succulents that make them unique. In this chapter, we'll share which succulents you can grow as different types of bonsais. Some succulent species can grow into massive sizes, and you wouldn't think they form part of the succulent group. You can try various styles, as their stems and branches are incredibly flexible. One benefit of a succulent bonsai is that you can plant any pieces that you prune or break. Several species also have stunning flowers. The jade plant bonsai tree has a red-brown stem with bright green leaves. It's an evergreen succulent that loves being outside or in as much direct light as possible. The bonsai crassula is an evergreen shrub that generally grows in rocky landscapes or the sides of mountains. It grows well in tropical regions and wants direct, full sunlight for most of the day. The Golem jade bonsai has tubular and bright green leaves, with red tips at the top. It prefers direct sunlight, but it can manage indoors. Crassula tetragona looks like a pine tree, with leaves crossed similar to some conifers. It has tiny leaves and presents a bushier appearance, making it denser with the patterns around the stems. The crown of thorns has red bracts and thorns that are reminiscent of the crown Jesus wore during the crucifixion. It needs direct sunlight for several hours in the morning, while you'll need to ensure the soil drains well. The poinsettia has flaming red bracts that really stand out and will be the main attraction in your office or home. When pruning, be sure to wear gloves, as the poinsettia produces white sap that may cause irritation or a rash on your skin. The Queensland bottle tree is deciduous and loses its leaves in winter. It prefers drought conditions and has an array of interesting colors that may match your desk. The baobab has a unique shape that makes it popular as a bonsai. It has massive white flowers in summer, which is the main attraction of the season. The ponytail palm is part of the asparagus family, and it has a thick bulb at the base of the stem that collects water. It's easy to care for and loves bright, indirect light. Each succulent species has specific requirements for you to maintain them. However, succulent bonsai trees are generally easy to grow and care for.